Welcome back to ScaleSpeedworks. My name's Mike. Before we get into today's video, I'd like to go over a little mail call first. First card I got is from Jared over at Jared B Models. Jared, bud, thank you so much for the card. Absolutely love the bike. In fact, I think you inspired me to pick one of these up. So I'm going to find one, pick it up, and eventually, one day, I might even build it. Anyway, thank you so much for the card. If you guys aren't subscribed to Jared, if you haven't checked out his channel, I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. Jared, thank you so much for the card. The next card that I got is from everybody's favorite hobby dude, Hobby Dude 007. Mark, thank you so much for the card. I really love what you're doing on the channel. It's so inspiring. You got some great work going on there and some great tutorials. So thank you so much for the card, and thanks for all the good work you do on your channel. If you guys haven't checked out Mark, I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. Last but not least, Brother Doug. Doug, thank you so much for the card. I really and truly appreciate you reaching out and sending one of these out to me. I love the new card, and thank you so much for the kind words in the back. Again, if you guys haven't checked out Doug, I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. Thank you, all of you gentlemen, for sending the shop cards out. They are going to make an appearance on my shop card wall, so thank you very much. Next, I wanted to share with you guys a huge haul I got from Hobby Lobby the other day. Not only did they have 40% off, but they had free shipping. So here we go. Pretty excited about this one. You guys have probably seen this on other channels, but I'm excited to get this. Probably just going to end up stealing some parts from this one. Got one of these. Probably not going to end up building this. Just got this for parts. Still excited to get that. Also picked up another one of these. Pretty excited about that. Picked up one of these. Looking forward to building that. Picked up one of these. Real excited about this. This should be a lot of fun. Grabbed one of these off eBay. Pretty excited about these. These are neat little cars. So pretty excited about that. And then I also picked up off eBay a couple of kits that you guys might be seeing one day on Classic Kit Review. Got that one. Little Ford Ranger. Now, Revell did re-release this as a Chevy S10. But this Cyclone hasn't been released for quite some time with the GMC parts. So excited about that. And I also picked up one of these. Now this is another unique kit. These Explorers were only available for 2 years, 1996 and 1997. So you're definitely going to be seeing this on Classic Kit Review. Pretty neat. This was another grab from Hobby Lobby. Excited to build this thing. It's a cool little bike. And then this last one grabbed off of eBay. Now this is the companion to the GMC Cyclone. So exact same truck, except it has a Chevy S10 front end instead of the GMC front end. Still has that turbo V6. So pretty cool. There you go. Turbocharged V6. Excited about this one as well. And finally, the last kit that I acquired. I wanted to thank all of you for offering to find this for me. I really appreciate it. I did manage to get it online. I paid about retail price, unfortunately, because my Hobby Lobby Didn't carry it. Oh well. I'm glad to have this. You're going to see this real soon in the upcoming shop truck group build. And I also wanted to mention, thank you, I'm not sure who mentioned it, but this kit is 124th and this one is 125th. So these parts, while they might be interchangeable, I'm not going to try it. Instead, let me move that aside. What you're going to see is you're going to see some of the parts from this. Now, I would much rather go with a Revell kit and a Revell kit, but hopefully the parts from the AMT Jimmy will match up with this one. We'll give it a shot. If not, maybe I'll be digging into this one after all. All right, well, that's all I have. I'd also like to give a big thank you and shout out to all of my subscribers. Your support and encouragement keep this channel alive. Thank you for tuning in today. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next one.